made a cake. It's just finally cooled off and it's so nice. I just love fall. Who's with me? Do y'all like fall? I do. Well, I think it is so gorgeous out here that we are going to make a campfire dump cake. Let's do it. I don't know. Hey everyone, we're going to make a campfire pumpkin dump cake today. I am so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. It's super easy, of course. That's how we like to make things around here. Just takes yellow cake mix. Of course, mine will be gluten-free because I don't want to die. To start off with, we mix 1 cup of pumpkin, some pumpkin pie spice, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, one stick of butter. Oh my gosh, did you see that? I sure hope that made it on camera because I just splashed the heck out of myself. Just give it a quick stir. And then the secret ingredient is sweetened condensed milk. Pop this open real quick. Sweetened condensed milk. Get all that good stuff in there. I apologize for the noise in the background. The neighbor decided to mow his lawn right now, just as we were ready to film. All right, so you just mix this up. Then we add our cake mix. Maybe we add our cake mix. All right. Mix this all up until there's no clumps. And my filming crew, aka my sister Karen, just reminded me that I forgot the eggs. So let's go ahead and put the eggs in our cake. One. Whew. I can definitely say I prefer doing this inside with the electric mixer. All right, we're ready to go ahead and put this in our pan. Get it out, but I can try it. So a couple months ago, a summer storm blew through town and knocked down a ton of huge branches from our trees.
Hey, there's a slug on that one.
Yes, there is. It's not. Never did get in focus, I don't think. Are you helping, Charlie?
She's helping me. That's still attached.
I think it's still attached. You need some help rolling that over there, do you? Or not?
It's not gonna go anywhere, is it?
Not really, but we can roll it so you can get these.
There, just stand there and hold it.
Really?
We had some straight line winds come in and knocked a bunch of trees over.
Here and
Branches, not necessarily trees.
there where it dips down and the neighbors are working to clean it up. There's there.
And we're out of power, so once we have power, we'll get our chainsaw out and cut it up.
Because yes, we have an electric chainsaw.
And we just got around to getting those all cleaned up.
How is that still even attached? You did it.
Got that.
Kelly, the lumberjill. Where's your plaid?
Don't worry. You helping? No, you're not helping. Bring it here. Come here, Charlie. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. What have you got?
Oh, such a good girl. Oh, is you gonna help me stack firewood?
So we decided to have a fire in the fire pit, and it was such a lovely evening. It finally got down to where I could enjoy being outside. And that got me thinking, I wanted to use our campfire ring and make some delicious food, and a pumpkin dump cake it is. I think I need to check the cake now. It might need a little more fire, a little more heat added to it. Aha, it's looking good.
How you doing there, girl?
Well, I just poked it, but it's starting to firm up a little.
Okay.
Doing its thing.
You know, watch the pot, never hold it.
I know.
Put the lid back on it, leave it be. And you can leave that part in your video.
That's done. I made a cake. So this is a handle indentation, which is a little weird, but we're just gonna go with it. And I didn't bring the right utensils.
No, but that looks good.
Yeah, I got it. There we go. That is so good. Oh my word. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.